Stepping out of bed, my bare feet met the cool wooden floor.
This old table holds so many memories. Each scratch tells a story of the years gone by. The rain makes it feel so much warmer in here, doesn't it, Grandma?
Yes, dear. It truly does.
It's all right. I made sure your notebook was packed safely.
Thank you, Grandma. I feel much better now.
You must be soaked from the rain. Come in, the kettle is almost ready.
Oh, thank you. That sounds wonderful.
She handed me the brightest spool of red thread, reminding me that every mend tells a story of something cherished.
See, the storm outside can't touch us in here. And your sock is perfectly mended.
Some afternoons are just meant for slow cooking and quiet company. Cleaning up after lunch. The warm water steamed gently, and the scent of cinnamon and soap filled the air.
Here you are, fresh from the garden.
Thank you, Grandma. I'll make tea right away.
I returned to the window with my tea. The steam carried the scent of mint. The scent of warm milk and honey filled the kitchen. Grandma stirred slowly, and the warmth presses right into your fingers, fresh from the toaster.
Look at this one. I had completely forgotten about that old cedar tree in the backyard.
It looks so peaceful there.
Look at her, so carefree, even in the middle of a downpour. It feels like yesterday.